Traylor Stadium has served the Lamar CISD community since 1960. Currently serving all 6 of our high schools, it hosts athletic events, community events, as well as celebration ceremonies. With over 70 games and events annually involving thousands of students, district staff work year-round to keep the facility operational. And right now, the focus is on replacing the turf to keep it safe and usable. The turf, which was installed in 2013, has a life expectancy of 10 years. And Friday night lights at Traylor Stadium are a common fall event for our students and community to show up and cheer on our Mustangs, Rangers, Falcons, Longhorns, Chargers, and Lions. But turf, lights, foundation, and bleacher repairs are needed to keep the stadium safe and operational. That's why this August, the Lamar CISD Board of Trustees voted to call for a $15 million bond election on November 7th, 2023. If approved, the bond will provide repairs including replacing the turf, replacing the field lighting, and repairing bleacher foundation and seating. So let me be more specific. When I talk about foundational repairs at Traylor Stadium, right now I'm standing under the stadium next to a steel beam that is bent, and it supports the structure of our student section. And this is what our structural support beam should look like. We currently have a section of our stadium that is supported by wooden beams, while other sections of our stadium are supported by concrete beams. Because of foundational concerns, I decided to close the student section here at Traylor Stadium, but also you would notice we have wooden bleachers here, while the rest of our stadium has aluminum bleachers. Now we know you may have concerns about the cost. However, the Lamar CISD Board of Trustees has worked to minimize that impact. In August of 2023, the Lamar CISD Board of Trustees voted to lower your tax rate. They actually lowered it by 9.28 cents. So our tax rate for the 2022 school year was $1.24. Your current tax rate is $1.14. So Lamar CISD Board of Trustees voted to lower your tax rate. You now have a lower tax rate. So what does that mean? If this bond passes, it will not increase the total tax rate for the 2023 school year. Despite what you may see on your ballot, your 2023 total tax rate is set and will not increase. In fact, remember, in August of 2023, the board voted to decrease your total tax rate by almost 10 cents. Early voting starts on October 23rd and runs through November 3rd, giving you a chance to make your voice heard before the crowd comes on Election Day, which is November 7th. To learn more about what's included in our 2023 bond, visit our website, lcisd.org.